guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how you can another method that you can use to make money on Bybit without trading. Okay, so this one that I'm going to show you today is not always there. It's time to time. Each time you come across it and you see it, all you just need to do is just grab the opportunity and start making money for yourself. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can benefit from this content. Okay, on this channel will bring you a lot of content that allows you to make money online just with the comfort with your smartphone. Okay, from the comfort of your home. So today we are going to look into this Bybit and see how much we're going to make from this place without trading, or how we're going to make money from this place without what trading. Okay, so the first thing that you just need to do, make sure you are a Bybit users. Make sure you are a Bybit user. And if you don't have a Bybit account yet, congratulations to you. Do you know why I say congratulations to you? Because I'm going to drop my referral link beneath this video or at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. The moment you sign up, you'll be rewarded, bam, 30 USDT without delay. That's why I say congratulations to you. Okay. So all you just need to do is to listen carefully, watch this video from the beginning to the end. Let's begin. Okay, so all you just need to do after you have created your Bybit account, come to the dashboard like this and navigate yourself to this very place called a reward hub. Okay, called a reward hub. So you're going to click on this reward hub and see how many rewards are there for you to claim. Okay, so I'm going to enter my reward hub now so that we can see what we have there. Okay, so the reward hub is loading and it's being loaded. I have what 5 rewards. Okay, so these are my rewards. Okay, let's see what activities we need to do to claim USDT or to claim money from this very place. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do is to click on this my rewards that's showing me 5 rewards. Okay, so the most fascinating thing we are going to see here is, wow, we have a lot of rewards here. Okay, we have the first one, second, third, fourth, and the fifth. Okay, so all you just need to do is to come over to this place. And so if you can see this place, this reward is claimed already, and I was one that claimed it. Okay, the reward ID is here. The reward for SQT listing, was for SQT listing. Okay, this was claimed long ago, not quite long though, it was like 3 months ago. I claimed it. Okay, it was claimed. Look at this place, it was claimed. Okay, this was fully claimed. All right, so if you just enter your dashboard, the next thing is you click on rewards. If you enter your reward, there are a lot of things there for you to claim. So this one has been what? This one has been claimed. Okay, so if you have your account, if you have a Bybit account and you're yet to claim anything, go to your reward now and see what is there for you. Okay, so the second one that I'm going to look at here, the first one has been claimed, right? Okay, the second one that I'm going to look at here is this airdrop again. Okay, so we're going to click on this second one to see. All right, look at all these very place. You can see this one too has been what claimed, and it was all claimed by what? By me. You can see this is the third one. This one was claimed on January 29 around 6:57. Okay, it was on what? On dual listing campaign. Okay, so that is it. If you have your Bybit account now, go to your reward and start claiming. Okay, anyone that is expired, don't worry. From now on, you know that there is something for you in the reward center, so you can always go to check. All right. So I'm going to check the third one now. You can see this one too was claimed, and the reward was on what? On grape listing campaign. Okay. It was on what? On grape listing campaign. So start checking yours now. If there's anything you have not claimed yet, go there, quite sure, claim it. So let me see the NFT. Bybit recap NFT. Okay. This one was also claimed. Okay. It was also claimed, fully used on this also dates. Okay. So this has been claimed already. Okay. So all those things that you are seeing here have already been claimed, but I want you to understand that if you have not claimed anything, go to your reward now. Let's see the last one, which is the fifth one. Okay. The last one, which is the fifth one, was based on a lucky draw. Okay. Based on a what? On a lucky draw. This one was on derivatives, and everything was claimed as well. All right. So this is to show you that if you have a Bybit account already and you are yet to claim anything, this is your time. Okay. This is your time. Simply navigate yourself to my rewards and see what is available there for you. Okay. So start claiming now to boost your wallet balance. Okay, so that is all for now. And one of the most fascinating thing again I will want you to check is the referral program is extravaganza. Okay, we're going to look at here now. Okay, this one is still what is ongoing. This one is what is still ongoing. So all you just need to do now is to start using your referral link to invite new people to Bybit account to start earning. Okay, which is why I'm going to drop my own referral link at the description section of this very video. You sign up using my referral link, INUN. Okay, so let's support each other on this very place. Okay, so during this period, you're going to make a lot referring people, okay, to Bybit. You can see the competition is on what? It's on progress. It's in progress. Okay, the competition is in what? It's in progress. So just sign up people now and start earning. Okay, all you just need to do, come to this place and register. Okay, if you just click on register, and everything will be okay with you. Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any question, do well to kind of drop it in the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Do well to like my video, do well to share, and comment please. Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you in my next content. Bye.